Hey guys, this is Harshita and welcome back to my channel. So today we'll see how to make Namma Bengaluru style donne biryani. So this is my favorite recipe and it tastes just like the ones we get outside. So these are the ingredients required for this recipe. Now without further ado, let's get started. So in a mixing bowl, I've taken about 400 grams of chicken. I've taken boneless, but you can use normal chicken as well. To this add half a spoon of salt, 1 spoon of chili powder, 1 spoon of coriander or dhania powder, 1/4 spoon of chicken masala, it's optional, about 4 spoons of curd, about 2 teaspoons of ginger garlic paste, and give it a good mix. Now let it marinate for a minimum of 30 minutes. You can refrigerate it as well. Now heat a pan and add about 6 tablespoons of oil. Add 2 small sticks of cinnamon sticks, 3 cloves, 2 pods of cardamom, about 10 black pepper, about 8 to 10 green chilies, and just saute it for about 10 seconds. Now to this add 1 cup of onion, that is 2 medium sized onion roughly chopped, and just saute it until it turns soft and light brown in color. Should look something like this. Now keep it aside and let it cool completely. Now in the same pan add about 4 spoons of oil. Add 1 cup of pudina or mint leaves, 1 cup of dhania or coriander leaves, 1 cup of methi or fenugreek leaves, do not skip this, and just saute it for about 2 to 3 minutes until they reduce in size, something like this. Now keep it aside and let it cool completely. After they completely cool down, put them in a mixie jar, the sauteed onion and the sauteed leaves, and add about like 1/4 cup of water and blend it into a smooth paste. It should look something like this. Now here I have a Indalium vessel. You can use a steel one as well. It should be able to accommodate the rice. Now heat it and add 1 spoon of ghee and about 1/4 cup of oil. Add 1 small size cinnamon stick, about 5 cloves, 2 pods of cardamom, 2 star anise, 2 bay leaves, and just saute it for like 5 seconds. Now add 1 cup of onion, that is 1 large size onion finely chopped or thinly sliced, and saute it for about 2 minutes. Add 2 spoons of ginger garlic paste and saute it for about a minute. Now add the marinated chicken and saute it for about a minute. Make sure the flame is in between low and medium. Now close the lid and cook on low flame for about 5 minutes. Make sure you keep sauteing it in between because you don't want to burn it at the bottom. Now after 5 minutes, remove the lid and just saute it. Now add the blended paste. Add some tasting salt, this is completely optional. Add 1/4 cup of water and just mix it well. Now close the lid and cook it in low to medium flame for about 5 minutes. Again, keep mixing it in intervals because you don't want to burn the bottom. Now it looks something like this. Just mix it well. Now add about 2 spoons of rock salt. You can totally adjust it as per your requirement. Add 1/4 spoon of turmeric powder, and this is the glass that I've used for measurement. Now add 6 glasses of water. I've taken 3 glasses of rice, so I'm putting 6 glasses of water. So the ratio is of rice is to water is 3:6. So I soaked the rice for about 1 hour. Now just give it a good mix. You can use basmati rice as well. Add half a spoon of chili powder or as per your requirement. Add half a spoon of salt or as per your requirement, and just mix it well. Now cook it on low to medium flame for about 10 minutes. So it looks something like this after 10 minutes. Now close the lid and cook it on low to medium flame for about 10 minutes. Again, keep mixing it in intervals or else you'll have a burnt bottom. So just remove the lid and mix it well. Now add juice of 1 lemon. And give it a good mix. Add about 2 spoons of ghee and just mix it well. So when it's almost done and when it looks like this, just spread it evenly, that is just like level it, and remove the vessel. Keep the flame on high and place a tawa and place the vessel on that and close the lid. And keep a weight, that is a heavy weight. I've just used a rock over here. Why we are doing this is because we don't want to have a burnt bottom. Now cook it for just like about 5 minutes on high flame, and your rice should be done by now. Look at that. Now just mix it well. If it is not done, you can just keep it for some more time, but keep mixing it in between because you don't want to overcook it. And our biryani is done. So that's it guys. I hope you like this recipe. It's not a super simple recipe, I know, but it's totally worth it. Do give it a try and tag me on Instagram. If you like this video, please like, share, subscribe, and do not forget to hit the bell button. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.